Hello, my name is Jonathan Grma. I'm an information management officer at Ethiopian Nutrition Cluster. I'm the developer of these systems. In this video, I'm trying to explain three core pointers. The first one, I'm trying to give you an overview about the system, and the second one, how to interact with the system, which means that how can you add, edit, and contact your own information by yourself, how to do that. And finally, I'm showing you how to send an email using this group system. Okay, let's see an overview. Basically, this system tries to automate the traditional workflow, which means, for instance, if you want to join or withdraw from a cluster contact list, you have to request to IMO. So the information management officer will be responsible to register your information or to delete your information or classify or categorize you based on their classification, so that you are receiving the email based on those categories. So this approach, or the traditional approach, has two main drawbacks. The first one, it gives an additional burden for the information management officer, because you have to be registered, you have to be take care of the deleting or removing your contacts, you have to be classify you or categorize you properly. Otherwise, you may receive some unnecessary emails without your consent. That's one point. And the other one is, as a user, you may receive an email without your interest. So, using this contact list system, these all drawbacks will be eliminated. Okay, let's see how to interact with the system. First thing first, as a user, you have to get the URL, which is sent by the cluster coordinator or from the IMO. So basically, the URL looks like script.google.com, blah blah. So when you are redirecting to this URL, you find this user interface. So this will be your home page. Here you have three tabs in here. The first one is to register a new user, and the second one is for editing your information, and the last one is for delete your contact from the contact list. So let's proceed to registering. So when you press on the Add Contact tabs, there is a form that you have to fill. All the fields which is a mandatory has an asterisk. For instance, name is a mandatory, last name is mandatory, an email is also a mandatory. For your information, one of the rules of the system is one email belongs to one person, which means duplicate registration using the single email not allowed. So you have to register once, and I'm advising you that it's better to use your organizational email. Okay, so next you select your organization. It's a drop down list. If your organization is not in the list, you have to contact the information management officer who is responsible to include your organization to the list. For testing purpose, we only choose some organizations list. So let's select an organization. As you see, the phone number and the job position is not mandatory, so you can left empty if you don't want to share your position or your email, your phone number. So let's put for our test. Okay. Finally, let's see the last and the basic sections of the system. It displays that the groups that the cluster invited to join. So you will join one of the group, at least one of the group based on your interest. For instance, an information management meeting. So if you want to be called or notified or remind for the information management meeting, you have to click on it. If you want to be called for a subnational information management meeting, you also click on it. If you don't want to called or notified for subnational information meeting, just untick it or leave it as it is. But for our testing purpose, let's click on it. Or there is an icon, question mark icon, which gives you a description about the group. So you may have an information about the group when the group it may be the schedule description will be displayed from the right side of it if you are pressing on the question mark. After you are fill all the form fields and selecting the groups which you want to be joined, so that you just press the save contact. When you save contacts, it's alert you that you have to verify your email, so you have to go to your email and verify your contacts. So here you are receiving an email which has a URL that verify your email. So press on the URL. Yeah, it says that the contact is created. So let's check our contact is created or not. Yeah, so let's find my contact. Okay, here it is. Here it is. My contact is created on the group, on the contact list. So far, it's good. Okay, let's edit our contact. Here, as you see, information management meeting and some national information management meeting is already selected. So let's change that. Edit to edit your contacts. You have to put your email here. So find this, press find this email button. When you press on it, if your contact is properly registered, so all the information is populated. So let's change something. For instance, now let me update my position. Let me change my group. So I'm going to join MANTF meeting, not subnational meeting. So I'm selecting that. Okay. So let's save and edit. Okay, it told me that the updates is takes place successfully. So let's refresh it. So as you see, subnational meeting is removed, and I'm joining the MANTF meeting. By doing that, in the meantime, an email is sent to my address, which notify me that there is an update happen. So even though someone who knows my email will update something without my without my knowledge, so the email is sent and notify me, so I can go back to the system and cross check what update is made. Okay, let's delete or remove my contact. To do so, I'm putting my email and press the get pin button. Unless if I didn't get in, I will not delete my contact from the contact list. So let's do that. Okay, so post that told me the pin code is already sent to my email. So let's check my email. Yes, here it is. 9246 is my code. Let me put some random code and try it. Okay, it's wrong code. So okay, 9246. 9246. Delete. Okay, it's deleted. So let's check that whether it's deleted or not. So my contact is gone. As you see, to finalize, without an information management officer, the user by itself can manage his contact on the contact list. You can register, you can edit, or you can delete your contacts. I think we almost completed the second point. So let me show you how can you send an email using those, based on those groups. Okay, for instance, subnational test. This is the test. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Here it is. This is the test. So this is how you can send or interact using the system. Thank you. If you have any comment and suggestion, please ping me using this email address, and here is my phone number. You can contact me anytime if you have any comment or suggestion. Thank you very much.